Hey, what's up, guys? This is the Hungry Vegan. So today we are doing meal prep. So let's just go ahead and get into it because I don't have a lot of time. So look, I've already boiled some pasta, already drained it, seasoned it, all that good stuff. Well, no, I haven't seasoned it yet. Of course, I love this seasoning. Gonna do a little bit of that. This one is actually really good. They brought this from Slutty Vegan. It is like really good. I know it said like potatoes and stuff, but I used it. I still use a little bit. All right. So to your pasta, you're gonna add a half a stick of country crock butter, vegan country crock butter that is. So go ahead and add that. Right. So we have our spoon here. We're gonna go ahead and just stir it around while it's still hot. Get those noodles all coated. Back there, we have some onions, bell peppers, all that good stuff. I don't know if you can, yeah, it's back there. So we have all that good stuff. So we're just gonna go ahead and get started. Well, we already started. That was weird to say. Whatever, I'm getting used to it. Anyways, so we got that. Season it with some pepper. And today we'll be making like some chickpea, like a chickpea curry sauce kinda. So with this cream of coconut, this one is really good. Stick it in the refrigerator for like a little bit longer than I did because mine is like a little melted, but it'll still be good for the sauce and everything. And if it needs to thicken up, then we can just leave it on the stove for a little bit longer. So let's go. All right, so the pasta is almost good to go. So we'll just leave that sitting there. Then I'm gonna go ahead and take y'all over here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so I hope you guys can see everything. So got a little bit of this going on. So this is onions, bell peppers, garlic clove, and some tomatoes. And all we are doing is just sauteing. What did I just say? We are sauteing this up. All right. All right. When it's done, we'll be right back. Curry. Ginger. Coconut cream. What it should look like. It'll be more solid, of course, when you have it in the refrigerator. But yeah, there you go. And then just like a half of tub of vegan sour cream. This is what it should look like. There you go. Hold on. All right. Yeah, since we better, I'm just gonna use the rest of it. Okay. All right, we'll be right back. I know it look crazy now, but don't be judging me. All right, we'll be right back. Bye. All right, guys. So we're back. So your coconut milk cream, whatever you want to call it, vegan sour cream, all that stuff is like starting to boil now, right? So now you're gonna put in like about 2 cups of chickpeas. I told you I had like a lot of left over from like my baking and stuff this weekend. And yeah, I'm just gonna dig in with my hands because they mine. They already rinsed off all the little things, you know, already taken off for the most part because that's very tedious. Okay, so go ahead and add this in while I keep on talking. Just a little bit more. Okay. All right, so the point of this, you want to go ahead and get this all coated in here. And then while we were gone, I add, oh yeah, I already showed y'all. Yeah, the seasonings. Okay, we're gonna go in with a little bit more. We'll do a little bit more curry. All right. That's a lot of curry. Well, coconut is sweet. All right. So we'll go ahead and just wait until this thickens up a little bit, and then We'll add in probably like a few more seasonings or whatever, and then we'll be all done. We'll add that in with our pasta, and then we'll be good to go. All right, and we'll put some parsley on it, you know, make it look rich and stuff. All right, bye. 1 second. All right, guys, so when it gets to kind of like around this consistency, go ahead and reduce it. I've reduced mine to probably about like between 3 and 4, so it won't, you know, burn the bottom of the pan or anything, but you can see it's getting a little bit more creamy, you know, but about like 10 to 15 minutes, just go ahead and let it simmer, and then we're gonna add our pasta in. All right, I promise it won't take much longer. Be right back, bye. All right, y'all, so our sauce is like done. All right, so I already have our noodles here. They already seasoned and everything, don't even ask me. But we have some mixed vegetables in the back right now, so let's go ahead and get this over our pasta. All right, that's one. Give me some more sauce. All right, I'm giving you some more sauce. I mean, that's life. Is that the same? Okay. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and finish these up. Containers already clean. Make sure, you know what I'm saying, they clean. Boom. So what we have here, once again, is gonna be curry and coconut cream chickpeas. Go ahead and finish this, and then I'll be right back with the mixed vegetables, and we'll be all done for up to 3 days. We good. All right, for 2 people. Yeah, this is meal prep for 2 people. So yeah, I'll be right back. All right, guys. So hold on, let me close my pantry because you know how y'all little nosy. All right. So look, so we are finishing up our mixed vegetables right now. Hold on, let me make sure you can see it. All right. So finishing up our mixed vegetables. You don't want them to be too soft because most of the time you're gonna have to warm them up in the microwave anyways. So season it, just a little salt and pepper, paprika, okay. And then this Asian sesame, ginger, and soy dressing. So I'm just gonna put this on top of it. All right. All right. So all we're gonna do is just toss it around just a little bit. Turn it off actually. I wish I could smell this. Listen. Amazing. All right. So now we're gonna go ahead and transfer it over here. Okay. I'm gonna take y'all with me over there. All right, hold on. All right, and we're back. So all we're gonna do is just scoop us up some vegetables, of course, and just put it in our little compartments. If you have some leftover veggies, that's even better, especially for like a nice little late night snack like me. I'm trying not to eat past 8:30, y'all, but we'll see. We'll see. Okay. And like I said, this is meal prep for 2 people. Oh, and also the mixed vegetables that I use, my mom actually got them for me. It's like a big pack of frozen vegetables that you can get just from Sam's Club. And this would better, of course, you know, it's easy to portion control too, because the bags are already like pre-packaged and stuff. I know I'm not looking at y'all, but I'm trying to concentrate. Okay. These cast irons be heavy. Dang, I thought I was gonna have some extra vegetable. Fucking try it. No, I'm gonna leave that broccoli to the side. Act like it ain't even exist. Okay. And then if you guys notice, I did like a small salad with some leftover lentils that I had. And then I just put the dressing literally like just in the compartment because I'm just doing it for us, you know. But if I was doing it for somebody else, of course, it'd be packaged, all that good stuff and everything. But this is the end of the meal prep. That's it. It's just that simple. It wasn't simple, but you get the point, right? So that is it for the meal prep. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Once again, please like, comment, and subscribe to this video. If you want to see more videos of me meal prepping on a budget, meal prepping just from the farmer's market, just what I have around the house, just let me know. We might be doing some with those bananas over there. You see that little hurt. I know y'all looking at my background. Don't judge me, all right? That's why I made sure the flows was on. Anyways, I hope you guys have a wonderful day and stay hungry.